Hey, I'm Danielle with WTI. Are you still using the front-facing camera on your phone? And if so, why? Because we all know the rear-facing camera is the best one. But not to worry, the selfie monitor from Shimbol will help you to take advantage of it. It is so easy to set up and use and help me to get that perfect shot without having to guess whether I was in frame or having to walk back and forth to figure it out. Previously, I used my watch as a second screen and the remote, but it's so small and finicky sometimes. This screen is the perfect size, the video quality is great, and I'm able to start and stop my videos and take pictures with ease. I also appreciate how versatile it is. The case allows you to attach it to your phone, very securely might I add, and you can also hold it in your hand, which is personally my favorite way to use it. Now, if you've never used something like this before, here are some quick tips. Unless you have a magnetic phone case, you will need to take your phone case off so it can hold on securely. As mentioned, it has a built-in shutter, but in order to use it, you will also have to connect via Bluetooth in addition to mirroring your screen. And my last tip, if you want to get some content, but you don't want to be close to whatever you're filming, you can do that up to 164 feet range. Isn't that crazy? And of course, I tested it out. I left my phone downstairs and went up to my office, and I was able to start and stop a video from there. So if you're looking to level up your content or picture game, this is the device for you. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.